Father, what really caused their misunderstanding?
Your brother was actually the subject of discussion. It started slowly. Before I could understand what was going on, Arazo and Aroto were on each other's neck because of one stupid joke Aroto made concerning your brother.
Father, what exactly did Ichie Arotu say about my brother?
Conclusively, he alleged by that joke that your brother's manhood was no longer functioning.
What?
And that your brother should open up to the men in council instead of keeping them waiting.
What arrant nonsense? Father, why would Ichie Arotu say something like that about my brother? Is he okay at all?
That was what he said. And the Shiarazo attacked him. That was it.
Well, Ichie Arazu did well by attacking him. I mean, why would Ichie Arotu open his mouth so wide and say such an insensitive thing about the noble prince of this kingdom?
Listen, my son, it is already established in council that Ichie Arotu does not know how to talk. It's established already.
That's so bad. But Father, you're soft-hearted to too great an extent.
Why will you say that? I am that king who has decided to rule by always trying to understand the feelings and the opinions of others. I don't want to be remembered as an all-knowing king.
Father, in as much as I understand you, a king is meant to be someone with power and authority. I do not want you to be a mean king. Rather, I want you to exude more confidence and energy.
Listen, son, it is always very beautiful for somebody to have power and not use it than to start abusing the power that one has. I don't want to rule my people with high-handedness to the extent of always shutting them down, always preventing them from saying the things they want to say. I want to give them always the benefit of the doubt. And that was actually what my father couldn't do, but because my father was very brutal. Very brutal. Brutal to the extent that nobody dared open his mouth when my father was present. He was very mean to the extent that he intimidated everybody and collected all their lands. And there was nothing they could have done because he was actually that arrogant, that tyrant king. And that was why when I became king, I decided that the best thing for me to do is to release all those lands that my father seized from all the families with intimidation. You needed to have seen the joy on the faces of those families when those lands were given back to them.
Now I understand you, Father.
Good.
My prince, does it mean you have not seen any maiden since then?
My beautiful sister. Not really. But on the other hand, I have been on the lookout to find a suitable maiden for myself. You know, I am not going to marry for myself alone. As the heir to the throne, I am supposed to marry for myself, the family, and the entire kingdom. And as they say, behind every successful man, there is a vicious woman. And on the contrary, behind every failed man, there is also likely to be a woman.
A good queen is that woman who is interested to be in that throne for the entire kingdom at heart.
I will surely find her.
We say... What's wrong with you, clown?
I was instructed not to even allow your shadow in this palace again.
By who? Who instructed you not to allow me gain access into the palace?
It is an order from above. Now move.
You don't talk to me staring into my eyes. What audacity do you have? Even you?
Yes. My prince, Princess Ijenu is here to see you. Should I usher her?
Prince! Prince Jidekene! Did you order this clown not to allow me access into the palace?
I did.
Yes, we did.
Yes.
Your Majesty,
Princess Jane.
you ordered your touts not to allow me gain access into your palace. I demand an apology this minute.
Eh?
I am not talking to you.
How dare you? Do you not have respect for the royal family? Now take your uncultured self, your untrained behavior out of this palace this minute. Out! And go back to your father before I close my eyes and open them. Out! Out! I said get out! God! Push her out. Push her out! I said push her out! Push her out! Get out! Out! Move! Out! Can you imagine? Look at her. A mad dog. Mad dog. Useless fool. Mad dog.
My princess, are you okay?
Do I look okay to you? Do I? Get out. Out! Come here. I said come here!
Sorry, princess.
What happened just now? What was that?
They prevented you from entering the royal palace of Augo.
They prevent. Was that what happened a few moments ago?
Yes. The Queen Mother, Ugebeze, ordered you not to enter the palace again. To the best of my knowledge, you've lost your chances with Prince Ujekene.
How dare you? Come here. How dare you say that to me? How dare you say that to me?
Sorry, princess.
Get out. This way. Out! Get out! I am the queen. Get out. Get out.
Agunwai. Mmiri doro edo. Ugomba uru agụ niile. Ha, nwanya ka ibie.
Nwanyị ka ibie.
Ihe bụ no.
In all her miserable life, she will not come and itch close to this palace. Let alone Prince Jidekene. Yes. That I know for sure. Yes. It is her audacity for me.
Well, you see, I brought her. Yes. And I fired her. This royal family is known for one thing. The peace and harmony that bind us together. We not allow any maiden to truncate it all in the name of marriage. Yes. Yes. We exude peace. Who says there is no unity in progress? Nobody. Nobody. Ijenu is just a mad woman. Yes. She's not fit to be a bride, not to talk of a queen. Let her just go and look for her likes. Not here. Yes.
Mother, if not for the fact that I was asleep when she came, I would have dealt with her so ruthlessly. Eh?
We've dealt with already. Don't worry. The bride and in-laws that unite this royal family the more are coming. As for Jenu, she is just good readiness to bad rubbish. Oh, Yobun. No problem. Do not
worry. I want to get married though. Let it not be that I got married before my elder brother.
Do not worry. Like I said earlier, I will go out of my way to find a bride for Chidekene, my son. I trust you now. It's a promise. And as for you, Prince Chude, do not worry. Your brother will get married soon.
Yes.
So, don't
Why? Come out. Come out and see who is knocking.
I'm coming, no. Who is there? Hey, Arinza. Augo.
See me. How are you?
I'm fine.
Call me businessman.
Businessman.
Just call me a businessman.
No businessman. What is happening? You look so excited. What happened? Did you win anything?
I won more than everything. Okay, guess. Just guess.
Arinza, I cannot guess. What is it?
Okay, Aqua, I sold everything.
Hey!
Sorry.
Hey, you sold everything?
Yes.
That is good news.
You don't even know what happened in the market today.
What happened?
They love everything. They love the design, the color, and everything.
Eh?
You know that people that came with less money, that their money is not complete. They were asking me, when am I coming next time? I'm telling you.
Wait. Is it in this our village, Urago, that you sold everything?
I went as far as Newich.
I'm
an exporter and importer.
I'm so happy for you. This is good business for you.
Yes, that is why I brought this palm wine. So that we will marry. You know, as we are celebrating, more money is coming. And that is it. You will like it.
Palm wine?
Yes.
Bah, I'm sorry, I do not drink. I don't drink. I cannot take it.
No, it's just for celebration.
No, it's not like I'm not happy for you, but I don't drink. Oh?
But I cannot take it alone. I know we are doing this business together, so we need to take it together so that it will flow. Okay, take small. Aqua, drink. Are you not happy for us? We made lots of money today. Drink.
It's not like I'm not happy for you. Mana, I don't like palm wine. But this one is sweet.
It's very sweet. See, let me tell you, palm wine is very nutritious. I'm telling you. See, if you continue taking this palm wine, from now to next market day, if you see your color, you'll be glittering like the sun. I'm telling you. So, drink more.
Are you serious?
Just drink. You don't know before?
Look like Ubube gum.
No. Yeah, drink. Drink up. Drink. Keep drinking.
I didn't say phone.
I take my.
Let's go. See, I want to sleep. Run out.
You want to sleep? Don't fall.
Eh?
You know what?
I cannot fall.
I will just help you.
I found Augo.
Yes. Okay. Okay. See what's there. Let me help you. So you go inside.
You want to help me?
Yes.
Don't help me. No. Don't help me.
Drink. I finish this one.
Ora, Ora, I want to sleep.
Okay. Let's go. Yes. Let me help you. Let me go. Afam.
Who's that?
You can't go. It has happened.
Arinza, what is it?
Where is Afam?
Arinza, what is it this early morning? What is it?
Where is Afam? Where is your brother?
What about my brother?
It has happened.
What has happened?
Then
What is the meaning of this?
I just deflowered Augo.
Ta mechipon again.
See, let me tell you. I slept with her all through the night. We had it. We have been having it all through the night. She was even begging for more. I am telling you.
Congratulations.
Dalo. Hey, wait. What about our bet?
What bet?
I don't understand. I know now. Plots of land, they now belong to me.
You said drug, so you think we are fools, right? Eh? You got Augo drunk and came here with blood stain. For what exactly? Eh? For what?
Arinza, we know you. We know you well and what you're capable of doing. You are desperate, which is one fact I dislike about you. A desperate fool can do anything to achieve whatever he wants. Now, this is my advice to you. When you are done limping left, right, and center for winning a trophy, you can return to your people. Once again, congratulations.
Can you say Anobi? Eh?
We should give you our Anobi. My friend, get out of here.
That's gonna go. Afam. Okay, because you are two. No problem. I will go and come back. I must have my plots of land. How did Afam know that I got Augo drunk? How? Or is it the way for them not to fulfill their own bets? No, that's by the way. Hi! But Augo is very sweet too. Eh? I cannot believe that I just had the most beautiful maiden of Urago Kingdom. Hi! Augo is very sweet. Very, very sweet. Everywhere tight. I had to force into it. I enjoyed myself. Hi. Once she wakes up, hi. She was very tired. The thing will just hit her. Bam! I enjoyed myself. As for Afam and the Great, don't worry, I'm coming back for the plots of land. I'm coming back. Arinza. Him and will Ife.
Chimo. Nne. Wake up now. Can you see? Since morning. No, chef go. Isimo. Isigi. What happened? What happened to you?
I drank so much palm wine.
I don't understand. You now drink?
Arinza, he brought a keg of palm wine and he was forcing me to take it. I told him I don't drink, but he kept forcing me.
Ne.
No! How did you take your virginity? Huh?
I told you about this Arinza. I told you that man is not a good man. He's of no use. I told you.
Huh? He brought my wine I was forcing me and he said, Bugobo. He told me he sold all the crafts that we should celebrate.
Those crafts are still packed in his father's compound.
They
are not sold.
What will I do, my friend? Chinwe, help me. Blood.
You need to go there now. We need to go there now. Yes, that's what we have to do. Ozugo.
Arinza! Arinza, why did you do this to me?
Good morning. Arinza, come back here. Where are you coming back from?
Are you not going to answer your father? Where did you sleep last night?
No. I slept in a friend's place.
As if it is a lie. Arinza, Kogi. It is a lie, Arinza, tell them that you slept in Augo's hut yesterday.
Which Augo? Arinza, the same Ogbanje I warned you of. How come you slept in her hut?
Me Ogbanje.
It was not only that. He even took her virginity.
Arinza, how could you do such a thing to an orphan?
You, Ekwensu, it was all your plot to just get in between my legs. You will never see any good thing.
No, the Ogbanje that killed her parents. Now you are after my son.
Hey, for this thing you did to me, you will die.
Leave me alone. Kill you after my son.
He get wound.
No.
He get wound.
Let's go.
Leave me alone.
Leave him alone.
I believe your son. You're supposed to hear your son.
Arinza! You don't stress yourself. The gods will fight for you. You see that's Arinza? That's Arinza. He's a finished man.
From the look of this, you know that we are the best workers in this village.
Unlike us. Chinwe, this one you look so gloomy. Are you okay?
You're asking me if I'm okay. Do I look okay? No. Do I look okay when your stupid friend, your useless, big-for-nothing friend, Arinza, got my friend drunk and enjoyed the woman in her, and you are asking me if I'm okay?
Sorry.
I don't understand. What is funny? What is funny? I am saying that your friend Arinza got my friend drunk and took her virginity. What is funny?
Are you serious now? Did I not tell you? Did I not tell you that Arinza is so desperate to win this bet? He knows that ordinarily Augo will not fall for him. He decided to get her drunk.
You said it, my brother. You said it.
Are you serious?
I heard bet. What bet are you two talking about?
Well, Arinza was making mouth that he's going to have Aqua. And so my brother and I told him that he wouldn't succeed should he try. The Augo that I know is not like the other maidens. I told him, but you know, Arinze, he likes to brag. He said, me, Arinze, who doesn't know Arinze? I can have any maiden. I can have this, I can have that. So you mean Arinze got Augo drunk and took her virginity?
The thing is that we made a bet that if he tries and succeeds, that we are going to give him an obianye. But if he tries and fails, that he will be the one to forfeit his.
Exactly.
Yes.
That was the bet.
I want to get this clearly. I want to just get this clearly. Are you saying Arinze used his trickish way just to get Augo, my friend?
Yeah.
Hi! Hey. Arinze, may our gods continue to punish you. Arinze, it shall never be well with you.
See?
Thank you for this information.
You are welcome.
Okay.
Chinwe, are you not going home? I told you now.
I wonder what we are doing with such a person. Can you imagine?
I've told you about Arinza right from time. See, the main thing is that we should continue with our work. He didn't win the bet, so our Nobi is with us.
Exactly.
Yes, now.
Let's go, my brother.
Ne, could you believe that it was all a bet? Yes.
What are you talking about?
Arinze had a bet with his friend Mejima. Just to sleep with you.
Chinwe.
Yes.
You mean Arinze reduced me to something as low as a bet?
I told you. I told you that Arinze is good for nothing man. A man that still depends on his parents or your business. He's just an empty vessel. Now, look at you. Come to think of it, you agreeing to drink with him still beats my imagination. The words came over you. What?
Chinwe, I didn't see this coming. He deceived me. He deceived me.
Now it's all late. Everybody will speak ill of you. The common Arinze had his ways. He slept with you. That is what everybody will say. They won't want to listen to your own story. I told you. You don't have to cry. Okay? Oh?
Arinze, you will never go unpunished. You will never go scot-free.
Zugo. I know how it feels. Zugo. 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 Please. I had a dream.
What dream?
Wipe your tears if I tell you, because it's a good dream. I don't want to see you cry again. Okay. I saw you in my dream. You were married to the prince of this kingdom. You were looking so beautiful. I just want you to be happy. I won't come home.
Greetings, my friends.
Greetings, Augo and our friend Chinwe, daughter of Onowa Banwedikizu.
My prince, you know my name?
Of course I do. And who does not know Augo? The most beautiful of them all.
Thank you, my prince.
You're welcome. This is my first time of seeing you, and I must say, you're not short of what I heard about you.
Hey, my prince, it depends on what you actually heard.
Augo, you're beautiful. Very beautiful.
Thank you, my prince.
Can I visit you?
Visit me? I'm sorry, my prince. I don't entertain male visitors.
Okay. In that case, can you visit me at the palace? Yes, I'd like for us to have a discussion.
It's
Woman of Uruago, what troubles you?
My life has come to an end.
Woman, you are not dead. You are right before me and I'm asking you, what is the problem?
See what my husband did to me. He beat me black and blue because I kick against him taking another wife.
Your husband beat you up?
Yes.
Nobody deserves to be treated the way you have been treated. Father, you must do something about this.
What are you saying?
Oh, yes.
Who is your husband?
Ndunigwe.
Ndunigwe, the one that deals on oil?
Oh, yes, please help me. I cannot bear to see another woman in my home. Talk more of being mistress to my husband. She's a widow. My husband has been seen her behind me.
Whose widow?
Olefala's widow.
What? Your husband has been seeing Oneforo's widow?
Yes, yes.
How dare you lay your future hands on my mother? Eh? Ndunigwe, Arinze. I don't want to say over bandia for. Is it me, your father, you're calling Ndunigwe? What is your name? Is your name not Ndunigwe? Eh? You left your wife and went to Oneforo's widow to lay with her. Eh? You want to lay with a widow that has 7 children? Ndunigwe, Arinze. The same way you sneaked into Augo's hut, got her drunk, and deflowered her. Shameless son. Eh? At least, Augo is a young maiden. She's young. I love the part that you said I deflowered her. At least she wants it. Look at you. Keto, calling pot black. See, let me tell you. If you are trying to bring that woman to this compound with the children, eh? You've not fed us. You want to bring another people to this compound, it will not work. Since you've decided to kill me, your father, before my time, let me bring her in and face my new family. Which new family? New family indeed. Just try it. Try it. Demi, I'm not joking with you. I'm not threatening you. But if you try it, if you try it, what I will do to you, eh? Arinze, I'm better than you. Oh, you see? It runs in our blood. Eh? Akuna. I took over you now. But don't try it. If you dare bring that woman to this compound, eh? What I will do to you? What I will do to you and her? Eh? Am I like you? Arinze, I dare you. I will show you that I'm still your father. Thief, Onyoshi. You stole the money I made from selling oil at Warriors Mbanese market and used it and bought mats and basket and dumped them at the backyard. More thief. Eh? More thief. More thief. More. Help. Eh? More thief.
Please stop my husband from taking a kemma. Let only for us widow as his wife, please.
What will I not see? I mean, where does this even happen? Even Dunigwe has finally decided to marry a widow because there is nothing wrong with a man marrying a widow. But if he has decided that a widow must be his second wife, why must it be Onephoro's widow? Why?
Father, I think you should summon Ndunigwe immediately.
What? Udoka! Abunia!
Igwe.
I need you to go and bring Ndunigwe here before me now.
Right away.
Oh, yes,
that woman, to the best of my knowledge.
Help! Help!
Arinza! What is going?
Greetings. The king needs your presence in the palace.
Any problem?
When we get there, you will find out. But let's go. What happened?
Hey!
Why am I this tired? I feel so weak and tired. Could this even be a sign of high fever? Yeah, because all my bones are so weak. I'm so tired.
Ndunigwe,
Your Highness.
in one very short sentence, tell me why I am not going to order for your castration, for planning to bring abomination upon my land, trying to marry a young widow who just lost her husband, who is still not ready and cleansed for marriage. Tell me why I will not order for your castration.
Your Highness, I do not understand.
What is it that you don't understand? Ndunigwe, are you sleeping with a Kem or Nephoro's widow or not?
Your Highness, and who said I'm sleeping with her?
Okay, your wife. Your wife here ran in as I was sitting outside here discussing something very crucial with my son. With the allegation that you beat her up. In fact, we saw the evidence of the beating on her body. You beat her up because she tried to stop you from making a Kemma your second wife.
Tofiakwa.
What is Tofiakwa?
I do not sleep with her. Nor do I have any intention of marrying a widow with 7 children.
Liar! I know you will deny it!
What's going on?
Okonwa, tell them what you did to me. tell them.
What did I do to you? What?
You don't want to tell them. Then I will tell them myself.
You are lucky I did not cut it off. I would have cut it off and fed you with it.
Your Highness, this woman here ceased to be my wife the very moment she conceived killing me in my sleep over mere accusation.
Come and pursue me, let me see. I'm off here.
You don't want to tell them what you did to me. You don't want to tell them. Okay, I will tell them myself. Your Highness, I was sleeping when she bit into me and gripped me on my manhood and tried to pull it out of my body.
Gods of our land. Father.
I suddenly jerked up with so much pain, only for me to see that it was my wife with a knife to cut me off. I was begging her to spare my life, but no. She said she was going to kill me for cheating on her with a Ekema. What I've never thought of, not even in my wildest dream, knowing that the woman is even our biggest customer. Ekema is even her friend. It was when I kicked her away with my last strength that I started beating her. Then I told her that I'm going to marry Ekema. If the heaven is going to fall, let it fall. The lies he told my son, Arinza beat me up like a child. He was even on it when the palace guards came into my compound.
This is so unheard of.
Son, have you seen why it is not ever wise for anybody to judge on anything without hearing from the other side? Have you seen it?
Yes, Father, you are right.
The first rule in justice administration, hear all the sides. I am not going to say anything concerning this until I hear from Ekema. Abunia, Igwe, go and bring Ekema here.
This is a slap on my face. How can someone accuse me of... No, this is not happening. Because I lost my husband. Is that the reason someone will accuse me of something I know nothing about?
Please, Ekema, I wouldn't want you to bring in sentiments into this and get it twisted. I called you here because I want to get to the truth of this case.
This is a blow to my personality. I know I just lost my husband, but is it the reason why someone will accuse me of sleeping with Odinigwe and even planning to marry him with my children? Is it the reason?
Ekema, let me just tell you. Okonwa here almost killed her husband in his sleep because of you.
Okonwa? Yes. You? My friend? How can you do this to me? How can you accuse me of this kind of... What wrong did I do to deserve this manner of humiliation. What did I do? Have you seen me close to Ndunigwe to accuse me of this kind of heavy accusation?
Crocodile tears. Must I see him on top of you to confirm what I am suspecting?
Suspicion? So this is all about suspicion?
Ekemma, leave my husband alone. Leave him alone.
I don't have anything to do with your husband, and please can you remove my name from your lips?
Until you stop whatever you are doing with my husband.
Hi, Chimo. I have nothing with your husband. Nothing. And please, my king, I beg to take my leave. Ugonwa, for dragging an innocent widow. You will not get away with this.
Your Highness, whatever you decide to do to this woman because of this, you have my consent. And you, I should have known how evil you are. Get out of my sight immediately. You want to know what I can do? Get out! How can a human being be this evil?
She's very manipulative.
Very manipulative indeed.
Ukongwa, you have the right to accuse me of sleeping with your husband, Ndunigwe. Just because I am a widow. You can see how they're accusing your poor widow Neforodimu. You can see how they are shamelessly accusing me of sleeping with another man. Even when you are alive, I've never tried such. Not to talk of now that I'm still wearing your morning clothes. Neforodimu, arise. Oh, the gods of widow, arise, arise. Gods of the widows, arise, 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 Makanobia Mawakwamu. This is heavy on me, arise, arise. The gods of the widow, arise. Arise, Makanobia Mawakwamu.
Oh, I don't understand. Mother, you made me to beat up my own father because of your cooked up stories.
Did I ask you to beat him up? Eh?
Mother, you told me that my father was having something with Ekemma. Eh? Do you know the gravity of what you've done to me?
Arinza, you are accused already for doing something that is as grievous as what you did to me, your father. You shall suffer. You.
Mother, I'm going to live with this curse all my life because of your evil plot. You are an evil woman. I hate you.
Arinza!
Okonwa, you have succeeded in destroying your family by sheer stupidity.
Ndunigwe, you and Ekema cannot be innocent. I know what I heard. I equally know what I saw. You are cheating on me with that widow.
Okonwa, I'm tired. I think you should go back to your parents.
Upe.
Better still, I shall return you to your people with my kingsmen and collect the dowry I paid on you.
Akuko.
I don't want to marry again.
Akuko. Oh yeah, come and bundle me out of this hut, let me see. Rather, it's you that will reach your maternal home.
Thank the gods, I have the support of Eze Okanume to do to you whatever I will.
Why won't a polygamous king support you on your evil life? Why would he? When he has 2 wives and also planning of marrying as many wives as he likes.
Hey, if Eze want to marry 20 wives, he has the right to do it. After all, there's no law in this kingdom that stops him from marrying how many wives he wants. Look at you, look at your son. Like mother, like son.
No! It's like father, like son. Watch his leg. Watch your own. Watch his footstep. Don't even go there.
Hey! Look at it. You said it. Are you sure that that boy is my son? Look at his leg. Look at mine. Look at his complexion. Look at mine. He is fair and I'm dark. You're going to tell the king's men where you got that boy.
Oh, you want him to be as dark as you are? Because Chalam knows her.
You're going to tell the king's men. Don't worry.
Go to your maternal home. Your maternal home is calling you. Just Biko. Go and rest. Nonsense.
Okay. You mean you're pregnant? Huh?
Yes. There is no doubt that the almighty Augo is pregnant. But the person responsible is what we unfold soon.
I disagree. I mean, how can you be talking as if you are sure? It might be fever, Ajoiba.
Did you say Ajiba? No, Ajiba indeed. It's written all over her. I saw it in her eyes. Can't you see? Or have you forgotten my mother is a midwife?
So because your mother is a midwife, you can now tell a pregnant person, Uche.
Yes, of course, Obangiri. Listen, you know one thing about pregnancy. Pregnancy is something that does not hide. You understand? It's a matter of few months and it will be clear to everybody. Yes.
I now believe that this Augo is not what she seems.
Oh.
At all. She's not what she sees. I have cleared my doubts. She's a pretender. And you know what he said about pretenders? They do the worst. Augo is too loose. Because if not, how come she gets pregnant? How come? Because she will not tell me that she was impregnated by a spirit.
Oh, please answer the question.
See, the both of you should stop. Yes, the Augo that I know is a decent maiden. She's not a loose maiden. So I don't think it has anything to do with what the both of you are blabbing about. The both of you should stop. Yes.
Did I hear you say blabbing?
Yes.
So we are now blabbers. No, we are blabbing. Yes.
It's just a matter of time.
Yes.
I don't even know why I'm even like, what am I even doing with the both of you?
Go. You always go. Every time you are leaving, you have been in a hurry of leaving. Go.
Me self, I'm confused.
You just said why will she get pregnant? Now you are confused. Who is confusing you? She or me?
Arinze, what you ordered has landed. You see my friend here? You must marry her. Marry who? My son will never marry her.
Your son must marry my friend. He impregnated my friend. Oh yeah, Ania.
Chinwe, daughter of Onowu Abanwe Dikis, are you telling us that Arinza here impregnated Augo?
Yes, Nai.
Asiocha.
Wait, Augo. So you went and told your friend that I got you pregnant. Have you forgotten that before I went into that place, men have been trooping in and coming out? So why me?
Are you mad? How dare you lie in my presence? How will you slap my son in front of me?
You slapped me. What next?
You evil child. Was that why you used your evil hand that slapped my son? Biko Arinza, don't call my friend evil.
Hey!
My friend is not evil. Arinza, your son here, impregnated my friend.
Arinza.
He must marry her. Are they not evil? Hey! Nope him.
Arinze. Agwo ni horolo about Roland. It is time for you to do the needful.
Nam, I don't understand you. See, if you are here for me to marry you, Augo, it is not possible. Nam, I cannot marry this Obanje. I cannot marry this Mami Water.
Arinze, the same way you nursed the thought of getting her drunk and moving in with her, it is the same way that you are going to nurse the thought of making her your wife now that you have gotten her pregnant.
Must marry her.
Nam, let me say it again. Let me repeat myself. I cannot marry you. You better take this thing inside your womb to whosoever that got you pregnant, because I still can count how many men that have been going in and coming out. For me, I will never marry you. Nam, Apokwam.
Arinza, you must marry my friend.
Arinza,
you must marry my friend.
Arinza,
may the ghost fight. May the ghost try that your mouth. Arinza must marry my friend. Arinza must marry my friend.
It is a lie. My son will never marry her.
Let us call evil evil. Your son is evil.
My son will never marry her.
My friend.
Ujumo. Ujujuleju. See, look at everywhere. Look at everywhere.
Arinza, you keep calling me that.
Ijuleju. You're very sweet. I love you.
What about the beats you promised to give me?
The beats. Hey, beats. That will be tomorrow. Echi.
That was not what you told me before I agreed to do it with you. We are sweet-tonguing me before I agreed to...
Mama. Hey, ọchịcha mere ihe buru ke. Apịa nwe. Ịnacharugon. That is the only thing you know how to do. Sweet-tonguing her, deceiving her.
Okay? What is she talking about?
So it has not stopped. Okusibe, don't you know her? Who does not know Chinwe in this kingdom? She ran mad last week, Izugaraga. If not for the herbalist. Even the herbalist is still giving her herbs.
Are you sure?
And when Amaro?
How come I've not heard of this?
You are just hearing it now.
Wait, you said this happened last week.
Izugaraga, oh no, Bonama.
Hey, Chinwe. So you have mental problem.
She will bite you.
I'm not here. Just look at what you are doing here. Pity yourself, Obianuju. Very soon, Very, very soon. It will enter. And as for you, Arinza, I don't have anything to tell you. I'm not very open.
Come on, go group. Look at that mother.
What called draw? Bad man, evil man.
Arinza, did you sleep with her too?
Mwa. How will I sleep with a mad woman? I can never do that. Leave her. Let's continue. Uju! You're taking this. Uju! Wait, Uju, wait. Uju? Uju, wait. Eh?
Arinza, what is it? Why are you following me around and causing unnecessary distractions towards me? Why don't you go home and meet your parents? And leave me alone, since you do not want to tell me the truth concerning what Chinwe said.
How can you believe Chinwe? That mad woman. Like I told you, the herbalist is still working on her. Eh? She's raving mad on her yala.
If it's not Chinwe, then who did you get pregnant and deny being responsible?
Me. Oh. you didn't know. I am impotent. I cannot get anybody pregnant. I cannot.
You are lying. Obviously. You are lying again.
I cannot lie because of getting pregnant. I cannot. I love you. Eh? What is possible? I am not lying. Eh? Calm down. Abian Uju. Eh? Do you know them?
Yes, Arinza, she knows us.
She knows us. She knows us.
Yeah.
Who are you sleeping with? Tell me.
What rubbish? Why are you accusing me of sleeping with Afa Manike?
What about Ike?
Arinza, you're very stupid.
Yes. You are very stupid for thinking that everyone is just like you.
Please, let's leave this fool and go our way, please. Let's go.
Better watch your tongue. Watch your tongue.
Hey, if you leave.
Okay, let's go.
Better watch your tongue. You fool.
You think we are like you? Hello. If you leave. Uju, okay. We even called him Ike. Instead of Ike Chugu. Ike na Hechafu. Eh?
Arinze, it's obvious you do not have any regard for me. It's not your fault. Yes, it's not your fault. I blame myself.
Muke de Melo. Ha! He surprised Kwam. Hey! Open you surprise Kwanu mo. You surprise Kwanum. Hey! Uncle Wadi.
What are you getting at?
Augo, answering a question with another question is not ideal. And I ask you again. What is going on between you and my younger brother, Prince Jody?
He asked me to marry him.
And?
What do you mean, and?
You want to marry my younger brother?